Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to import the DXF file in CAD Marker. First, open a pattern file. Load. Select the File tab as DXF and find the file. Open it. Generally speaking, we choose ASTM AAMA to open. If this cannot open, then change the other two types to try. Normally, the choice is the unit of the file. If it is found to be different from the actual file, then we need to adjust. Choose this to adjust according to our own needs. Then click OK. If there is no deformation here, you can carry out the next step of the SuperNest.